Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for the consumers who is using Samsung Android smartphone of any series like E series, F series, J series, M series. If you're using any series of Samsung Android smartphone and if your Android smartphone is locked, so if you had hard reset of your smartphone, then after hard reset or factory data reset, whenever you switch on your phone, you will get a such type of display where you will get a welcome pop-up, language option, start button and emergency call option. So let's check what happened after hard reset. Either your smartphone's pin pattern or password lock has been removed or not. So when I will go through all the process, start from start button, go to the agree to all, agree, go more. Now, one more thing I would like to tell you, my friend, in this method, you will have to connect your phone to the Wi-Fi network. So you can see here, I have connected my phone to the Wi-Fi network. So after that, you have to go to the next option now. When you will go to the next option, let's check what happened to the next display here. So you can see here, after hard reset and factory data reset, it's again asking your pin pattern and password lock. Okay, so but you can see here, you're getting here the another option that is showing here, use my Google account instead. So simply you have to tap on this option. Let's check what happened to the next page here. So you can see here, it's asking your Gmail ID and password. So if you have remember your Gmail ID and password, then you can easily feed your Gmail ID and password and go to the next option to access to switch on your smartphone to go through all the process. But if you don't have your Gmail ID and password, so you can see here, you're not getting any skip option on this page. So in this method, I will show you how you will get a skip option if you don't have remember your Gmail ID and password. And this lock is known as FRP lock, which is generally locked by Google. When your phone is stolen, Google makes secure that if your phone is stolen, no one can unlock your phone. So this lock is known as FRP lock. Okay, so here in this video, I will tell you how you can bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone, or you can also call it a Gmail ID removal method. Okay, so firstly, you will have to, after this page, you will have to come to the starting page from here. So you can see here, this is the starting page. Here you will get three options: the language option, start option and emergency call option. Make sure you will have to follow all the steps very carefully. If you skip a single step here, you're not going to bypass your FRP lock. Okay, so firstly you will have to change your language from English India to English US, because you know generally this phone runs in US maximum. So after that, you have to tap on this start option. When you will go to the start option, you have to go to the agree to all and go to the agree and go to the more and agree. Now after that, you have to reach to this page, that is Wi-Fi network page. From this page, you have to activate your phone's talkback option. To activate your phone's talkback option, you have to press the power button and the volume up button, press, hold and release like this, press, hold and release. Now after that, you have to tap on this use option. Again, you will have to repeat the same, press, hold and release. Now after that, here you will have to draw a opposite L like this. Now after that, you have to double tap on this while using the app. Now you have to double tap on this use voice commands. Open Google Assistant. Open settings. Now when your phone setting option will be appear on your phone display, you will have to switch off your talkback option, and for this you will have to repeat the previous step. Simply you have to power button and the volume up button, press, hold and release. Now after that, you can see here the talkback option has been switched off. Now in this setting page, you will have to make some changes to bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone. Firstly, you will have to scroll down and come to the option that will show here lock screen. Simply you will have to tap on this lock screen option. When you will tap on this lock screen option, you can see here the first option is showing here a screen lock type, and the type is showing here swipe. But here when you will tap on this option, you can see here it's not working. So don't worry at all, it's not working. Simply you will have to scroll down and come to the option that will show here face recognition. You will have to tap on this option. When you will tap on this face recognition, you will get a continue or pop-up. Simply you have to tap on this continue. Now after that you will have to repeat the process 5 times, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now after that simply you will have to go to the back option. Now after that you will get an option that will show here about lock screen. Simply you will have to tap on this about lock screen option, and you will have to tap on this open source license. When you will tap on this open source license, you will get a lots of things on the display, but you will get a URL. You can see here you will get a URL. Simply you will have to copy this URL from here. Okay, now it's copied. Go to the back option. Again you have to go to the back. Now after that go to the back option and exit from setting page. Okay, now after that again you will have to reach to the starting page here. Now here you will have to do one more thing. You will have to tap on this emergency call option, and here you will have to dial *#0*#. Okay, when you will type the *#0*#, you will come on this page. Here you will get a lots of option, but you will have to go to the option that will show here sensor. You have to tap on this sensor option. You will get some synchronizing option on your phone display, but here you will have to go to the option that will show here gyroscope self test. You will have to tap on this. You will get a result option. Go to the back again. Now go to the display option, and here you will have to wait until you get a 20 test. Okay, so you will wait here until you get a 20 test results here on the display. Okay. So you can see here the minimum 20 results has been appeared on my phone display. Now after 20 result you can go to the back option because it's a minimum criteria. Now after that go to the back option and go to the starting page here. Now after that you have to tap on this start option, agree to all, and go to the agree. Some viewer says that your phone is not locked, so you can see here the lock animation is showing at the top of the smartphone. You can see here. You can see here the lock pop-up is showing here. Okay, so this phone is locked due to FRP lock. Okay, now after that go to the more, agree, and you will have to reach to this page. Now after that you have to tap on this add network option. Here you will have to tap on this setting option, and firstly you will have to scroll down and come to the option that will show here reset to default setting. Simply you will have to tap on this reset to default setting, and you have to tap on this reset keyboard setting and reset from here. Now the second option is showing here erase personalized prediction. You will have to tap on this and erase from here. Go to the back option here. Now after that you will have to come to the scroll up and come to the option that will show here language and types. You have to tap on this one. Now after that you have to go to the option that will show here manage input language. You have to tap on this, and in this page you will have to switch on all the languages where the US is showing. So you can see here English US is showing here. You will have to switch on this one and switch off this English India. Go to the back option here. Again you have to go to the back. Now after that you will have to scroll down and come to the option that will show here text shortcut. Now in this page you will have to tap on this add option, and here you will have to paste that shortcut which you had copied from the setting page. Now paste here. Now after that you have to come on this page, this option, and here you will have to type *#0 then a star and hash. Now after that you have to tap on this add. Go to the back option in this page. Now one more thing you have to do here, the thing is that you have to come to the option that will show here layout, and here you will have to come on this option, and you will have to tap on this alternative and apply from here and go to the OK. Now go to the back option and come to the starting page here. Now all the settings has been done by me for the FRP bypass. Now nothing have to do anything else. Simply you will have to start this option from here. Now after that, go to the agree to all and agree from here. Now go to the more and agree. Now after that, you have to tap on this next option. Now here you have to tap on this don't copy option. So you can see here, my friend, where you were asked for Gmail ID and password, there was no any skip option. Now you can see here you are getting here a skip option. Now you can easily bypass this page because this page is known as FRP lock page. Now you don't need to remember your Gmail ID and password. Easily you can skip this page from here, and now after that you can easily set up your phone. Finally, there is no issue again. So if you want to use new pin pattern and password lock, you can use from this page. So right now I will use a new pattern lock here, and after that go to confirm here. Now after that, it's a general setup of your smartphone. Now after this FRP lock bypass, you won't stuck anywhere in your setup of your Samsung Android smartphone. Go to the next, skip from here. You will get a pop-up that you are all set up, and you will have to tap on this finish option. Okay, now go to the OK, agree. Select your language from here. Go to the continue. Select your gender and age criteria from this page. Go to the install and finish. So here you can see that after hard reset, you will again stuck in a method that is FRP lock page. So in this video, I had explained you that how you can bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone of any series, and make sure this video is applicable for any Samsung models. Okay, so if this video helped you to bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone, then do the like this video, and if you have stuck anywhere in this method, then make us comment. We will definitely respond on your comment that where you have stuck, we will help you. So thank you so much, my friend, but make sure don't skip a single step in this video, otherwise you will have to make comment to get help from us. So thank you so much.